Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to clean your mono split air conditioner. The summer is here, the temperatures are very high, and in my office I want to clean it because yearly it gathers a lot of dust and filth inside running that fan. There are some aluminum radiators inside that will gather up that filth and you need to clean them. And you don't need a professional to clean the air conditioner, and we're gonna do this tutorial, guys, to help you to clean it by yourself. You can find these tube sprays that will contain active substance of special foam that will settle down, will get into that aluminum radiator, and it will clean it. So let's cut to the chase, guys. Let's begin the operation. So first, clean the air conditioner because it gathers a lot of dust and a lot of filth. If you have space between this mono split unit and the roof, it's good to clean it. Now open the front cover. Now if you see, those filters are covered with dust and filth, and guys, this will that filth will get into your lungs, so it's good to clean them. Our plastic filters, just get rid of them. And before doing this, guys, you got to take out everything you got near to this unit, because you will spray it and you will make a lot of mess. Take out these plastic filters and clean them with a jet of water. You can use water and soap and clean them good because it has a lot of bacteria, dirt, and you know. Now take every filter, and you can use liquid soap, and be careful, this is a carbon filter. You can you have to wash it, this also, and I recommend you to change this carbon filter. You can search on our stores where you can find it. Now, after you clean those plastic filters, I recommend you to use a mask. Put on your face a mask to protect you, because you can inhale that active foam. Now just clean the air conditioner, because on these surfaces you see, and be careful on this aluminum, that it bends very easily even with a soft cloth. Now the manufacturer tells us to spray this active substance on 15 or 20 centimeters, so you can put the fan to the minimum and do not activate the cooling process, just the fan to circulate this foam. But to avoid throwing out, if you see the fan is too powerful and it throws out this active substance, you can turn off the air conditioner, and after you applied the foam you can activate just the fan. So let's see. And yes, it's a messy job, but now you can turn on the fan and to the maximum power. Now leave this substance to do his job. Now leave this substance approximately 10 minutes, and this is pretty much it, what you can do. I told you, you can, for best results, you can put the fan to a low speed and apply this substance while the fan is running at the low speed. After you put the active substance on your unit, put the fan to the maximum speed to suck in this foam. After you have cleaned the filters, just attach them like so. It's a very easy operation, and this is it, guys. This is how you clean up your unit. Just put it back and voila, we have a clean unit of the air conditioner. Now you can put it to do his job to cool down your room. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like and hope this idea will help you. Please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more ideas, tutorials and reviews. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you guys. Bye.